Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time, both analog and digital, on a Skmei 1637. To start, press few times on the mode button to put the watch in the timekeeping mode. Press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds. The second will start blinking on the screen. Press on the mode button to reset the seconds to 0. Press the reset button one time and now use the mode button to set the hour of your local time. Press the reset button one time and again use the mode button to set the minutes. Press the reset button one time and press on the mode button to choose between 12 hours or 24 hours. Press on the reset button one time to exit the time settings. To set the date and day of the week, press the mode button one time to put the watch in the date mode and press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds until the month starts blinking. Press on the mode button to set the month. Once you are done, press on the reset button one time and again use the mode button to set the date. Press on the reset button one time and press on the mode button to set the day of the week. Press on the reset button to exit the date settings. The analog time, that is the time on the hands, can be set by pressing on the start button. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe on my channel.